Y'all, this is the week. All the animals come all in one time. And our meat birds are the first to come. They are supposed to ship out in the next couple days. Buddy and I are setting up the brooder. We're gonna head to the coop here and get a waterer and something for their feed. Clint did build a little bit of a bigger brooder box this year because we have 55 meat birds coming. We will wait for the call from McMurray. We have heard this year that they are shipping really fast. And I think last year we got like an email on a Monday. They arrived on a Wednesday, but most of our friends have gotten their birds like overnight. They get the email in the evening, the birds are at the post office the next morning. So we will wait for that. We're excited. It's springtime on the farm. Well, we got the call from the post office and we are headed out the door to pick up our 55 meat birds for this season. Woo! They're peeping like crazy. It's stapled shut, isn't it?
Are they
Okay.
the same kind we got last time?
These are different breed. Cornish cross. All right, let's get them home. All right, come on.
They're adorable. We have to eat them.
Blue, we got 55 new best friends for you. So many babies.
They're adorable.
2, 4.
Ah!
Hold on, can I do this? Carson, 8. Don't squeeze them. 8, 10.
Oh, these are a lot of shit.
56.
I thought we only had 55.
57. Okay.
So we just put it in there for them? There's no chicks on it.
Put it in there, honey.
54!
Now we have 57.
The last beak just got dipped. And now time to close the lid.
Okay, let's put the heat lamp on there. Hold on. You gonna close it up for me?
There you go. All our chickens.
Well, Blue, we got 57 new birds for you to obsess over.
Yeah. And even peck your finger. We brought more chickens. You can dig in the dirt. Yeah.
That's a lot of birds, isn't it, Blue? Well, this week has been the week of animals. Our kittens were born first, then we brought home pigs, and then today we got the call that our chicks arrived. So we upped our meat bird production a little bit this year. Last year, we ended up butchering 27. I think we ordered 30. And this year we ordered 55. So we're hoping that we won't lose any. It's always kind of expected, but they did all arrive alive, which is a plus. And McMurray is always good with sending a few extras. So we have 57 birds, all alive. None of them looked lethargic. I maybe noticed one and I made sure to grab it right away and give it water. But these are the Cornish cross chickens. And so they will only be in this brooder for about 3 weeks, and then we will put them out on pasture. And we've had a really warm spring here, so it could maybe even be earlier than that because the garage is gonna stay super warm and outside is already really warm. So we like this time of year to get chickens. It works out good, but there they are. Thanks for following along. Make sure to subscribe because we still have one more new animal we are welcoming into the farm this week. So that video will come soon as well.